Now let's see how for an individual post we can add comments and display them right underneath the post that we're adding a comment to. First, in our post component, we're going to bring in from the same folder comments. So we'll bring in our comments component. At the bottom in our comments area, we'll render our comments, and to it we'll pass a few things. First we'll pass it auth, as well as the post ID from post.id, as well as the comments array for a given post. Then we'll head to comments, and we'll destructure the things that we need within render, auth, comments, and we'll grab them from props. We'll uncomment our imports, and we'll first include a div, class name, classes.comments. So we'll destructure classes from props as well. The first thing that we'll have within our div is our comment input, where we can type our new comment. So this will consist of a card header, which will have an avatar prop, where we'll display our avatar component. And the class name for it will be classes.smallAvatar with a source of auth.user.avatar. Then we'll have a title prop in which we'll include a set of form tags. And within it we'll put a form control where margin will be normal. It will be required and full width. We'll have an input label saying add comment, and it'll be for add dash comment. So we'll create an input component where the ID will be add comment. The name will be text. We'll have a placeholder saying reply to this post. And then after the title prop, we'll give our card header a class name, classes.cardHeader. Then if we have any comments, we'll iterate over them in our comments area. So we'll say comments.map. For each comment, we'll use a card header component where the avatar will be an avatar component with class name classes dot small avatar and a source comment dot posted by dot avatar. We'll have a title prop, and here we'll execute a new function called show comment, to which we'll pass the entire comment. This will have a class name. The card header itself will have a class name, classes.cardHeader, and we'll make sure to add at the top a key of comment dot. Now let's create this show comment function. So this will function very much like a component for us. Show comment accepts a comment, and it needs from props post ID, auth, and classes. And it's going to return a div, which will have within it a link, which will import. The link will point to the profile page of the user that posted it, this comment. We'll interpolate at the end comment.postedby.id. Then we have our A tags, where we'll show comments.postedby.name. and we'll have a line break. Then we'll have a span, the class name classes.commentDate. So we'll interpolate comment.createdAt, and we'll create another variable which is going to hold a comparison. We're going to call this variable isCommentCreator, much like our isPostCreator variable, where it's going to compare comments.postedby.id and see if it's the same as auth.user.id. If so, if these two values are equal, we'll say that if the currently signed in user is equal to the person who created the comment, we're going to display a delete icon with the color secondary and the class name of classes.commentDelete. So much like our delete button for our individual post, a user who's created a comment will be able to click on this icon and delete their comment. So let's save everything and check it out in the browser. So now we can see a comments input, and when we have any comments, we'll be displaying them with the help of our show comment function.